Hello foodies, welcome to Foodland. If you're looking for an evening snack or even a morning breakfast recipe, here is the one. This is called Sago Potato Patties, which is also called Sabudana Vada in Marathi, and it's a great fasting recipe. But even though you're not fasting, this is just a simple and easy snack which is very tasty. I've served this snack with yogurt and sugar mixture, and this recipe is typically deep fried in the oil, but I have just shallow fried it in 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. So we definitely used less oil. You can also use clarified butter, which is ghee. Let's get started with the recipe and let's check out the ingredients. For this recipe, we need 1 cup of soaked sago, few strands of coriander, 2 green chilies, 2 boiled potatoes, I have grated them, and some sugar, almost 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, and 3 to 4 teaspoons of crushed peanut powder. So we will give that a good mix and make a dough. I have almost 2 big potatoes, so I've grated them. So let's mix this well and then we'll make a dough. I have also added 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of water to make this dough. So get a lemon sized ball like this and then keep it flat just like that, and then press it with the thumb. Just like that, so that you can get something like this. Okay, so here you go. I have made 12 wheels like this, and they are either ready to deep fry or you can shallow fry them, depends on the usage of oil. And this is our shallow frying technique. I have added about 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil and just place the patties. Let it cook for about 2 minutes on each side and then I will flip it. And here you go. Here is my potato sago patty ready. You can see they are all nice and crunchy, and I have added 4 more in the pan. You can see how crispy they are. And if you want, you can keep it ready as like this and keep it in the air fryer for about 1 to 2 minutes to reheat and make it even more crispier. And here is our quick and easy sago potato patties are ready. Look how crunchy they are. It's a nice evening snack. I have served this with yogurt and sugar. You can also make peanut chutney and serve it along with that, or simply eat with the ketchup if you like that. So I hope you like this recipe, and please give it a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification so that you can see my future uploads. Alright, thank you so much. Until the next time, take care and goodbye. You can make this recipe in advance, and when it's time to serve, you can get your air fryer handy and just keep it on warm for 1 to 2 minutes and make it crispier, just like made it fresh.